Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take an in-depth look at one of the most lethal man-portable air defense or MANPAD, the FIM-92 Stinger missile. Before we start, subscribe to our channel and like our video. The Stinger missile is a shoulder-fired, surface-to-air missile designed to destroy low-altitude aircraft, such as helicopters and drones. It was first developed by the United States in the 1970s and has since been used in numerous conflicts, including the Gulf War, the war in Afghanistan, and the Iraq War. The Stinger missile is a heat-seeking missile, meaning it uses an infrared seeker to detect the heat signature of its target. Once the missile is launched, it homes in on the heat signature of the target and detonates upon impact, causing significant damage. The Stinger missile was first introduced in the 1980s and was used by the United States during the Soviet-Afghan War. It quickly gained a reputation as a highly effective weapon, capable of taking down helicopters with ease. Since then, it has been used in numerous conflicts around the globe and has been credited with the destruction of hundreds of enemy aircraft. We'll explore some of the most notable instances in which the Stinger missile has been used in conflicts around the world. From the Gulf War to the war in Afghanistan, the Stinger missile has played a crucial role in shaping the outcome of many battles. The Stinger missile is a highly effective and deadly weapon that has been used in numerous conflicts around the world. Its heat-seeking technology makes it a formidable opponent against low-altitude aircraft, and its impact has been felt on battlefields across the globe. We hope you've enjoyed this comprehensive guide to the Stinger missile, and we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.